The number is papers to pass out. That would be the test from Friday. If you need to make up the test from Friday, you can come in 6th period today to take the makeup test. If you have gym, you need to come here to take the makeup test. Any other non-core elective class, you need to come here to take the makeup test. The objective for today, it will be to multiply matrices using the TI-83. And the specific learning target today is to answer just one cell on the practice problems and the bonus, as well as 2x2s, 3x3s, and 4x4s for the matrices. Example problem number 1. First, you have to know how to get to where we're going on the calculator. So turn it on, and what you'll have to do first is hit second and then matrix, which is the x to the -1 power, the inverse of x button. Once you have done that, you'll get this screen up here, and if there's anything in any of your matrices, A through G and so on, then you can overwrite that. What we'll do first is we want to make both of them 2x2s. We'll start out small. So what you'll have to do next is to go here with the right arrow button, which is this, and hit enter. That'll put you in the edit. So you go to the edit, and when you hit edit, it'll allow you to select 1, 2, 3, and so on. So type the number of the matrix you need, like number 1. This. And when you do that, like I chose number 1 here, and hit enter on that, then you'll come up with matrix A 2x2, and if it's not 2x2 already, then you can change these. You can manually go in and change each of those. And when you do, you hit enter, and then you're able to go down in and enter numbers into the matrix here, 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 and here. It's a 2x2, but it looks a little weird because it puts the brackets all the way over to the right. So when you enter in one of those, when you're finished, you can exit out of it or just hit second inverse of x again to go back to the home screen for the matrices. Now when you're ready to multiply two matrices together, you're going to be using the names portion there. You're going to stay on that. And if you want to use A, like A times B, you would just hit 1 and it'll put A on the screen. It'll go to a different screen and have matrix A, and then you would hit times and then go back through and do the same thing again in the names portion. And if you're using B, you would type 2, and once you have it, you would hit enter, and it'll bring you back the answer for the matrix. For a 2x2, you don't have to scroll to see the answers. They'll all be on the screen. But the larger the matrix of the answer, the more likely you'll have to scroll left or right or up and down on the screen in order to find out where it's at. And you'll be given specific questions like, what's row 2, column 3 of the answer matrix? So if this is your answer matrix, and I'll just make up some numbers here, we'll make it a 3x3. So if I ask for row 3, column 3, this is 1, 2, 3 rows, and column 1, 2, 3. So 1 would be the answer. You don't have to bring up the entire matrix on the practice problems. The answer on this one should be 9 in the answer matrix, row 2, column 1. Here's a practice problem. Type this one in, and you can type it over top of A and B, or you can use C and D, whatever you want to do, but make sure you keep track of which matrix represents what. Bring up row 1, column 2 for this one. Solution on this one should be 111. On this bonus, the answer should be negative 26. Another bonus problem. Answer on this one should be 44. Practice number 2. The solution for this one is 24. The same matrix we used for the practice. I need row 1, column 2. Same matrix, row 1, column 2. Solution for this one should be 41. Same matrix, row 3, column 3. Answer to this one is 19. These will go to the first 12, 10 million to the first 3, a million thereafter. Answer is 51. Answer on this one is 80. Answer is negative 2. Practice number 3. This one is a 4x4. You have to change the dimensions and type in both of these matrices. Row 3, column 4 is what I need. The answer should be 27.